Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're going to show you a quick demonstration of the X-Tool D7, mainly the systems that it will cover if you're hooking this up to your Aston Martin DB7. There aren't many tools out there that will cover the Aston Martin DB7, as I'm sure you probably know if you've tried to look for one. Some of the diagnostic tools out there, they only kind of cover the DB9 onwards, but this tool does cover the DB7. It doesn't do a lot of systems, I'm not gonna lie to you, for the DB7, but it will give you some level of coverage if you are looking to maybe diagnose one of the systems that I'm about to show you. Okay, before we get into that, I'm going to pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. There are fakes, there are clones out there, they can damage your vehicle. It's not worth going down that route, but this tool, the link in the description will take you to the genuine and official products. Okay, so if we click into Diagnostic, one of the beauties of this tool actually is that it does cover a huge range of other makes and models as well. You can see we've got all of the regions across the top there, so it's just a case of scrolling down into the region which you want. So we're going to go to Europe, we're going to go to Aston Martin. I'm going to manually select, click yes, and then we're going to select DB7. So when we do this, it opens up a set of systems which will allow us to diagnose. Now, as you can see, just as an example, I mean, the DB7 is an older model, so just as an example, I'm going to show you the coverage for the DB9. So these are the amount of systems that it will cover on the DB9. Okay, and then we go back into the DB7. We get 4. So unfortunately, there's just no getting around that. It's an older vehicle. I think if you wanted to diagnose more than this, you're probably going to need the official Aston Martin dealer software, which is very expensive and probably pretty hard to come by. But this will allow you to diagnose and reset systems like the engine system, the transmission control module, the ABS system, so the anti-lock braking system, and the passive anti-theft system. So I think that's like your alarm system. So it does give you a certain level of coverage, but I think for DB7 owners who generally are used to not having anything at all, it may well serve a good purpose, even just being able to sort of diagnose or reset a check engine light or diagnose an ABS fault, something like that. It'll also give you live data on these systems as well, so it is worth going down this route if you. The chances are, you know, the DB7 owners, they're enthusiasts. Maybe they kind of want to try and do things themselves. These vehicles are a bit older now, and it's worth just maybe giving something a go, trying to diagnose or reset the fault yourself, as opposed to taking it to a specialist, which will cost a lot of money. In any case though, I just wanted to show you the level of coverage that the tool will give you. It's the X-Tool D7. I'm going to pop the link in the description. As I say, it's a fantastic package. It covers all makes and models, and it does, you know, all of your main systems really. Okay, link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this helps.